Welcome, my friend. We are together with one perfect math Olympic question. Very cute. Don't forget to like and follow my channel first. Please, let's get started. Now, if you pay attention to what he gave us first, 2 to the x said, x to the 32 said, and asked us to find x. So I think, to get rid of this top x on both sides, I get 1 over x. So, 2 to the x is equal x to the 32, 1 over x. And we got 1x here. What will this turn into if you notice 2 to the x times 1 to x is equal to x to the 32 times 1 over x? Then they will take each other away. 2 will stay here. Here we have x to the 32 divided by x. Now I think, what can I do next? What should we do from 32 given to us here? We gotta get rid. What are we going to do again to get rid of these 32? Let's take 1/32 of both sides. So I'm going to take 1/32 of this. And I get 1/32 of that. What happened? 2 to the 1/32 is equal to x to the 32 over x times 1 upon 32. These will take each other. Last 2 to the 1/32 is equal to x to the 1x. Now our question. We can continue to solve by reducing. I call this 2 to the 1 times 1/32. I never touch it. I'm writing a mirror again, 1 max, and here I can write 2 where I see 1. I apply this. 2 to the 2 times 1/32 is equal to x to the 1 over x. Now when we go a little further, you will understand why I did this part like this, guys. I continued, I'm importing these two, so how? 2 out of 2. 2 times 1/32. I said x to the 1x. If we continue the council only, it won't be like this. It should be 1, 2, okay? If I multiply this expression over 4, it is equal to 164, x to the 1 over x. Do you understand what I want to do now? Look how many it was 2 at first. 4. What am I trying to do slowly? Basse, I'm trying to get closer to the top, guys. If we continue now, trying to apply the same method again. 4 to the 1 times 1/64. I wrote it as equal to x to the 1x, where I saw 1 again. What can I write? 2 times 1/64. I can write equal to x to the 1 by x. Now what will happen next? Over 4 squared. 1, 2 times 1. 64 is equal to x to the 1x. If you pay attention, see the section above. I applied them. Look at this part. I applied them, so I pass 1. I'm in the process right now. I will continue this until I get what I want. What will happen if we edit this expression? 16 when we multiply these two. 16 over 1, 128, equals x to the 1x. Look, I still haven't caught it. So I'm continuing this process again then. Over 16. So write 1 times 1, 128 is equal to x to the 1x. And where we see, it will be better if we continue from here. Let's cut this here. 1 where we see 16. 2 times 1, 128. I wrote it as equal to x to the 1x. What can we do here now? 16 squared. I wrote 2 times 1, 128 is equal to x to the 1x. What will the square of 16 do, friends? 256 when you look. These two statements, when I multiply, this is also 256, but it is equal to 1, 2. I got x to the 1x result. Now look, be careful what is written at the base of the exponential expression. 256. What is written at the top? 256. What is written at the top? 1x. Then what can I say from here? The number we call x is actually 256. Okay, we found this. If we made a transaction error, by the way, our question will be wrong. Now, for example, if we are going to ensure this, let's put this in our question. Let's see what will come instead. 2 over 256 equals 32 over 256. Now I wrote it like this. I think we don't need to touch this part. Then I kept it the same way. 256 is equal now. I need to think about the number 256. I need to think what strength 2 is. The number we call 256. What force of 2? 8 is the force. Then what will I do 2 to the 8? I will write it as 32. Of course, there is another feature here. We shouldn't forget it either. What was this feature? 2 over a. What is the bnth force equal? 2 to the a times b is equal to. Then if I use it in this part, what will come? 2 to the 256 is equal. Over 2. 8 times 32. I continued 2 to the 256 equals 2 to the top. 256 was provided. In this case, this is our answer, friends. Yes, of course you can derive them. So what do I mean? So you can write this another way. What can be 2 to the x is equal to x over 16. 2 to the x is equal x to the 64. Of course, this is the part we call 64. Will be a little longer. If you want, try to solve them yourself. Anyway, the answer seems to be hidden here. But I expect the answer to this in the comments. Please don't forget to like and follow. You can also check out other videos. Support me, very important. See you soon. But before you say goodbye, if you come across exponential numbers, like these questions and exponential equations, as in this question, first arrange both sides and then it will be easier to translate the question to whatever it wants from you. Are you still there? Haha, bye-bye.